Welcome to HomePan Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to make your meal prep easier and more flavorful. We're talking about the MAGNIFIQUE 4-Quart slow cooker with a manual warm setting, presented here in a vibrant red. If you're someone who loves the idea of coming home to a perfectly cooked, tender meal without all the fuss, then stick around. This MAGNIFIQUE slow cooker boasts a unique square design, which is an interesting choice for a slow cooker. Typically, we see round or oval shapes, but this square form factor is designed with space efficiency in mind. The manufacturer claims it offers a practical, just right capacity. With 4 quarts, it's a good size for smaller families or for cooking for two with leftovers. It's designed to fit large cuts of meat or even a whole chicken, which is great for classic slow cooker recipes like pot roast or whole roasted chicken. The idea is that it accomplishes this without taking up excessive counter space, and I can see how a square design might be a bit more adaptable to different kitchen layouts than a bulkier oval. A key component of any slow cooker is its inner pot, and this MAGNIFIQUE features a removable ceramic stoneware pot. This is a standard, but essential, feature. The removability is crucial for a few reasons. Firstly, it makes serving incredibly easy. You can take the pot right from the slow cooker base to the table, reducing the number of dishes you need. Secondly, it's vital for convenient storage. You can pop leftovers right into the fridge in the stoneware pot, and it's also much easier to wash. The core promise of any slow cooker is the tender, flavorful results it can achieve. The gentle slow cooking process, as the name implies, is designed to evenly heat ingredients over extended periods. This method is fantastic for breaking down tougher cuts of meat, making them incredibly tender and juicy. It also allows flavors to meld and develop beautifully, creating rich and satisfying meals that often taste like they've been simmering for hours on the stovetop, but with far less effort. When it comes to operation, this MAGNIFIQUE slow cooker keeps things refreshingly simple. It's equipped with an easy-to-use manual control knob. There are no complicated digital displays or pre-programmed settings here. You have a straightforward dial that allows you to adjust the cooking temperature effortlessly. This is a big plus for many people who prefer not to deal with fiddly buttons or intricate menus. You get reliable and consistent results with just a turn of the knob, making it accessible for cooks of all levels. The manual warm setting is also a nice touch, ensuring your food stays at a safe and pleasant serving temperature after it's finished cooking without overcooking it. Cleaning is always a consideration with kitchen appliances, and this MAGNIFIQUE aims to make it stress-free. Both the ceramic stoneware pot and the tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe. This is a huge convenience. After a long day of cooking and enjoying your meal, the last thing you want to do is spend ages scrubbing dishes. Being able to simply load the pot and lid into the dishwasher significantly cuts down on post-meal cleanup time. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this MAGNIFIQUE 4-Quart slow cooker. On the positive side, the square design is a potential space saver for some kitchens, and the 4-quart capacity is practical for everyday use for small to medium-sized households. The simplicity of the manual controls is a major advantage for those who don't want complex programming. The removable stoneware pot and dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze, which is always a welcome feature. The slow cooking itself, as we know, delivers tender and flavorful results, and this appliance is built to do just that. The manual warm setting adds that extra layer of convenience for serving. However, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. While the square design is touted for space efficiency, some might find it less intuitive for stirring or maneuvering ingredients compared to a traditional oval shape. The manual controls, while simple, do mean you have less precise control over cooking times or advanced settings like delayed start, which some users might miss. The 4-quart capacity, while good for many, might be too small for larger families or for batch cooking. Finally, as with many appliances, long-term durability can always be a question mark, though the features offered are standard and generally reliable in well-made units. In conclusion, the MAGNIFIQUE 4-Quart slow cooker in red is a straightforward, user-friendly appliance that focuses on delivering the core benefits of slow cooking. Its square design, simple manual operation, and easy-to-clean features make it an attractive option for those seeking convenience and consistent results without overcomplication. If you're looking for a no-fuss way to prepare tender, flavorful meals and appreciate a straightforward approach to kitchen gadgets, this could be a great addition to your home. Link in the description.